Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how some people seem to make money on Amazon without constantly creating content, testing products, or stressing over clicks? Well, today I'm going to show you a tool that might just change the game. It's called Azon Empire. Imagine plugging directly into Amazon's $2.1 billion per day marketplace and letting AI do the heavy lifting for you. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what Azon Empire promises. Here's the secret. Most beginners waste months building websites, posting content, and, well, getting almost nothing in return. Step 1. Activate the AI. Click one button and the system immediately starts scanning Amazon for high-demand products. Step 2. Pick your niche, or let the AI pick one based on real-time trends. Step 3. Sit back, relax, and let the AI work day and night, tracking opportunities and positioning you for commissions. And yes, it runs 24/7, no manual effort, no constant monitoring. It's like having your own digital army hunting for profitable products while you focus on life, hobbies, or coffee breaks. Let me break down why this tool is so powerful. Neural Link Deep Scan finds trending products others miss. Stealth Autopilot Protocol handles everything in the background. Cloud Vault Architecture, access anywhere, no software installs. Silent Niche Hunter spots early-stage demand before the market gets crowded. Global Market Penetrator taps into Amazon markets worldwide. And here's my favorite part. It's beginner-friendly. You don't need years of experience, coding skills, or fancy tools. If you can click Activate, you're ready to go. Created by Art Flair, a seasoned developer in AI and automation tools, Azon Empire is built to be simple yet smart. He's released multiple AI-powered products before, so you know this isn't his first rodeo. This one focuses on helping you tap into real buyer traffic, the traffic Amazon already has, rather than trying to create it from scratch. Now, you might be wondering, how much does it cost? Well, the front-end price is just $17, with occasional discounts and bonuses that make it even sweeter. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if it doesn't work for you, you're protected. All right, before you jump in, here's my final thought. Azon Empire isn't magic. It won't make you a millionaire overnight. But if you've struggled with Amazon affiliate marketing, want to save time, and want AI to do the research for you, this tool is worth a close look. So, if you're ready to start leveraging Amazon's massive traffic with AI, click the link below, activate your system, and watch it do the heavy lifting. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart tools and tips to grow your online income. Until next time, keep hustling smart, not hard.